guys, welcome back to another awesome video. Today we're gonna do something real cool. We're gonna be installing some lights. We're gonna be doing the side marker turning signal lights. So this is my 2011 335i E92 N55 engine. So it's gonna go from this to this. So there's the stock ones that look like this, that they're white, and mine right now, as you just saw, they're kind of like hazy or like faded off white or whatever. They work obviously, but we're trying to find something that makes it look a bit nicer. We're also trying to black out the car a bit more than what it already is, so this should do the trick. We got a pair of these smoked out LED turn signal lights, and honestly, taking these things out of the car, it's super easy. I'm gonna show you guys real quick right now. So these are the stock ones that come with the car. As you can see, they're really ugly, really faded. The plastic over here is like chipping and it's all ugly and disgusting, but basically to take this thing out, you gotta push it this way and then you're gonna pull it out. It's just gonna come out super easy. I'll set you guys down and I'll show you guys how to do it. So what I did to have it working like it does now, I had to take the way it came out, the way it came to me was like this. So this is the light, whatever, and then inside here was the two wires that connect to the you can't see it there, but there's like a circuit board in there that connects to all the LED lights. And here, these two wires that stick out here, I unfolded them from this white piece. I folded them upwards like this, and then I made it so that I could have taken this plastic white piece off. So I took the white piece off and it was like this. So I had to take each one of those metal wires and put it into one being on my left and two being on my right. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but yeah, so I had to stick them in there. And here now I'm gonna just wrap this all up with some electrical tape and put it back into the car. I wanted to initially put it up like this into the car and then wrap there, but it didn't have enough clearance in there to do so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of put it in sideways like this and still wrap it up. And as you can see, I put my hazards on and the LED lights work. It's not the brightest thing in the world, but they are smoked, and I chose to do this for that reason. I'm gonna do it quickly before it starts to rain, and I'll show you guys the final product. Now I put the second one on, and I'm gonna finish the job off with some really cheap 3M, replica tape that I got for the next project that you're gonna see. Maybe either the next video or the video after. I'm gonna be installing a diffuser on my stock trunks on the bumper. So if you're interested to see that, you should probably, stick around and stay tuned for that, because I already kind of did it, but then it fell off. So now I'm gonna take serious precautions and I'm gonna really do it properly. So if you're interested, subscribe and stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm gonna use this double-sided tape. So I'm gonna put the tape right in here. I'm gonna stick it, and it should be good. Final product. So there you have it, guys. I installed the side marker smoked LED turning signal lights, and honestly they look pretty sleek. I don't know exactly how I feel about them. They're definitely a noticeable difference. They're pretty black compared to what they were. I gotta see at night how well they work. I'll update you guys in a future video on how, you know, how nice they look at night. But I want to say thank you for watching. If you like the idea of this side marker and you think you should do it on your car, I suggest it. It's really easy, and this is costing me like 30 bucks. So like, I don't really care. It was more of a, like a let me try it out, let me see what it's all about type thing. And yeah, so I'll just keep you guys updated with that. I'll see how I feel about it, how I like it. So I'm gonna leave the video off here, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you're excited to see, I'm actually gonna do a video, like 2 more videos today. So one's gonna be the welcome lights, and it's gonna say BMW under the door, and I'm gonna do the diffuser. So stay tuned for that, guys. And as always, drive what drives you.